She may contain the urge to run away, but hold her down with soggy clothes and breeze blocks. Cetirizine, your fever scream me again. Never kisses, or do you ever send a full stop? Do you know where the muffins go? They go along to take your honey. Way down how we build our breakfast down and say my love, la 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 We're punching out to the spot. See you there. Nice little spot. Having a look for what lurks in the shadows. Beauty day. Beautiful.
Cracker, mate.
Cracker.
First big fish of the day. What do you reckon it is, Jack?
I reckon it's a fucking canal crop.
Oh, fuck, it's a big one.
I'm pulling us towards it.
You should probably track it in reverse.
Oh. Actually, you'll get me closer and then...
Putting that in might help, eh? Oh. Oh. Man, might have another one of these cookies while I'm at it. Oh.
See it?
How the fuck did you manage to do this, Jack?
Strength.
I'm on Beach's craft right here. So we can go and venture on the shore.
Lift the prop up.
Lift it up.
Successful.
Shabby.
Fucking hell. Had the cookie in my hand the whole time.
Too easy.
Free shoe. Right, we stopped on the side of the creek. Matt had a
Little walk
adventure
around and we fucking found a GoPro, mate.
Old Gopro. And some bitch up there fucking staring at us. I don't know, somewhere up there. And I just dropped my sunnies in the water.
Fucking dirty as K's that we found, and look at it, it's fucking brand new. Bloody perfect. Jack just chucked a cast in. Feel anything?
Peanut.
That means it's shit. Nah, really stoked about this though. And the SIM card's in it, so we'll reveal some footage that we get from it.
Oh, it's all rocks and shit in it.
Just don't. Just wait.
Hey,
Jackie! Yay! Fuck yeah!
Fuck the tree! Fuck,
Dude,
we thought we lost it.
I thought that fucking log fucked us over.
That might be legal. That might be legal.
20 or 15?
I don't know. Ah, fuck.
That's some big shit.
Alright, we're in this sketchiest little zone right here. We're gonna fucking duck that tree.
Are you ready?
We're gonna punch it out. Oh shit. I'm fucking low.
Ready?
Here's the ducks.
The rudder.
Yeah, it's all good though. Alright, we're going.
That fucking thorn.
We got attacked by thorns, but it's all good.
Go, send it. out to the spot where we caught this brim. We pinpointed a few little spots along the creek, so yeah, hopefully we get another one. And back to the same spot, first cast, and we got 2 fish. 2 effing fish. We got a brim in here. We think it's bigger than the last one. And we got some other fish, I'm not sure what it is though. Let me even get the sticker. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck is that, Jack? Yeah, I know. I didn't even see that. Alright. The brim's out. The brim's smaller. The brim's smaller than the last. Oh, fuck. What's this other thing? Oh, what the fuck is that? What is that? Fuck no. I think it's another breed of brim. Yeah. That's cool, chuck that one back. Not making it easy for me. Chuck that black one back and we'll just measure that one for fun. We just, we're heading back. We caught some small brim, not really legal though. Got some potty mullet in the esky, but we'll probably chuck them back when we get back. No, we're not really going to use them, so we'll see when we get back to the house and we'll do some other skit shit. You ready? Yeah. Okay, go forward.
I'm trying to send it out here. Mate, it's so
It's spinning. Alright, try chucking a forward drive, see if you can get yourself out. Oh. Wait, turn the front wheels. Just flat stick and just fucking turn the front wheels.
Nah, it's stuck in there good.
God. So buried in this back here. Alright, let me get me.
Jack up. Wait. Lay the max tracks out so I can go across them.
Yeah.
Mate, because look at that. That's.
Nah, do it. Just send it through.
Dude, I'll get bought.
Nah, you won't.
3,
Go up here.
3, 2. Oh, yeah.
That's some hectic fucking Max tracks. They do the job.